So let me start Anaconda. I hope in last class we started with operators, right? Till now, whatever we discussed, is there any confusion with that? So very small things we done so far. And this is the last file, I think so. Backup file is the last file. So what we done so far last class, we done with the small things, how to execute the Python code, and we done with the comments. What are the single line comments? What are the multi-line comments? Also we done. And what are the variables? And what are the different kind of uh, types of variables? How to create a variable and what are the rules and regulations for the variable also we done. And coming to the one more point, we done with the print methods. See how to work with the print method. There are multiple ways to work with the print method. Print with single quotes, print with double quotes, print with triple single quotes, print with triple double quotes also. We can do that. And one more thing, what are the print formatting? There is a one formatting process. Whenever you have the multiple lines, you can able to work with the formatting method using with the dot format process. And what about the type function? Type function is going to be giving the data type of the particular variable. What is the data type you taken? So that is the type method. And one more method we done, type conversion. So how to convert your type into the another thing. Suppose, for example, integer converting to the float converting to the integer, and string, numerical string converting it to the integer, numerical float converting to the float, and characteristical string will not convert it to the integer. Characteristical string cannot convert it to the float value also. That is also we done with the so far. And this is the format process we done with the format method. For example, if I have the employee name, employee qualification, employee salary, I want to print different kind of statements. If I want to print Aisha getting salary 45,000, the qualification of BSc, whenever you want to go this, you need to follow the concept called format, and placeholders we need to work with. Zero placeholder, what is the variable I want to take? One placeholder, what is the variable I want to take? Two placeholder, what is the variable I want to take? So you have to follow the specific format for that. And input method. One more important method we done, that is input method. What is the use of input method? Input is Python predefined method using for take input from user. So user entered something. Suppose user entered first name, enter your first name, enter your last name, and enter your marks. So enter your qualification, kind of things. Enter your first number, enter your second number. And what is the addition of those two numbers? Whatever the input value is going to be a string. So that input value you have to calculate with a number when you are working with the addition of two numbers. For example, when you entered a first number is 10, 10 is taking a string, 10 is taking with single quotes. Enter your second number 20, 20 also taking with the single quotes or double quotes. That you need to convert into the integer. Then only you can go for the addition. Otherwise, addition is not possible like this. Okay. So different kind of arithmetic operators we done so far. What are the different kind of arithmetic operators we done? Operators we started. in operators, we started with the arithmetic operators, and arithmetic operators are these only: plus, minus, star, slash, double star, and percent. And what about plus? Plus is addition. What about subtraction? Subtraction is minus. And what about multiplication? Multiplication is something like a star. Okay, so division is a slash. Floor division is only giving you a floor value, that is a double slash. And modulus is giving you remainder. And coming to the opponent, whenever you want to see the opponent value, then you need to go with the double star. 2 double star 2, 2 to the power of 2. 2 double star 2 means 2 to the power of 2. 2 double star 3 means 2 to the power of 3. It will be 8. And 3 to the power of 2, when I want to go for the 3 to the power of 2, 3 double star 2, 3 square, it is 9. In that case, you have to follow the thing. And whenever you want to add two things like str plus integer, it is not possible. Why? Because concatenation is not happening. Even arithmetic operator also not happening. So plus is working in the two forms. Plus is working sometime as arithmetic operator. Plus is working sometime as concatenation operator. But here, in this case, plus is not working. Why? Because one string, one integer. One string, one integer. Concatenation is not possible. At the same time, addition also not possible. But here in this case, it is working. Why? Because string plus string. When you have string plus string, okay, concatenation is happening 10 and 10. 10 will come. But whenever you have 10 plus 20, directly 10 plus 20, 30 will come. Why? Because arithmetic operator will work up. Now, let me go with the BODMAS rule. What is the BODMAS rule? When you have the bigger number, bigger statement with the multiple operators. When you have the bigger statement with multiple operators, BODMAS rule will apply. What about BODMAS rule is, first brackets will work. After that, opponents will take a priority. After that, division will take a priority. After that, multiplication is taking a priority. After that, addition will take a priority. After that, subtraction. Subtraction is last. Okay, so you try to work out all the BODMAS rules. So you try to work out with the bigger statements. And for example, when you want to work with the string and number, when you want to work with the string and number with a multiplication operator, what is this star symbol? It is going to be printing your string for 10 times. Okay, this is also possible in Python. And these are the things we done so far. This is a backup class we done last class. Now let's move to the operators one more time. So what are the different kind of operators we done so far? We done with arithmetic operators. And we need to go with the logical operators. And we need to work with assignment operators. Assignment operator. And we need to work with the comparison operator. And we need to work with the special operators. Okay. So when you are working with Python, when you are working with the data science and artificial intelligence, Python is very mandatory. Python is very mandatory programming you need to learn. And operators is the most important topic you have to understand. And we done already arithmetic operators. Now we will move to the logical operators. Okay, so tell me, what are the different logical operators we have in programming languages? Logical operators. Logical operators are basically logical and. One is logical or. One is logical not. Logical and, logical or, logical not. Logical and, logical or, logical not. Suppose when you go for the AND operator, logic operator AND, in other programming languages, this is the symbol for logical operator. In other programming languages, this is the symbol for logical operator. But in Python, logical operator is something like a keyword at the end. In Python, it is AND end. In other programming languages, it is Aisha. Aisha. Okay, so logical operators, there are multiple logical operators we have. One is logical AND, one is logical OR, one is logical NOT. Logical AND is in other programming languages, logical AND operator is something like a double AND symbol. But in Python programming, logical AND is AND keyword. Okay, what is the logic table? Logical AND table. You know logic AND table. Logical AND table. Logical AND table. Tell me logical AND table. True and true. True and true should be true. And true and false. True and false should be false. False. And one more thing. False and true. False and true should be false. And one more. False and false. False and false. That is also false. Okay. The case is the important note point you have to remember is AND operator gives true when both operands are true and both statements are true. When both statements are true. AND operator gives true when both statements are true. AND operator gives false when we find any one statement false. Any one statement false. AND operator gives true when both statements are true. AND operator gives false when we find any one statement is false. అంటే ఏంటి రెండు స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ట్రూ అయితేనే ట్రూ అవుతుంది. If both statements are true, then only it will go for true. If any one of the statement is false, automatically the total output will be false. That is the AND operator. So syntactically I will tell you like this. AND table, true and true. Let me tell you. Logical AND. Logical AND is AND operator. This is AND. Now tell me. Let me go for the true statement first. What is a true statement? 2 less than 3. True or false? 2 less than 3. True only. Okay. 3 greater than 4 greater than 7. True or false? Now tell me. 2 less than 3 and 4 greater than 7. First statement is true. Second statement is false. True and false. The final output is the final thing is true and false. True and false output will be yes, false only. Finally output will be false. Okay, when you want to check with the operator, when you want to check with the AND operator, you have to take statements like this, and statements should be something like this. Okay, the one I want to check now. 10 greater than 45. Okay, 10 greater than 5. True or false? Okay. 5 less than 19. 5 less than 19. True or false? True and true. True and true. True and true. So here in this case, true and true is coming. Here in this case, true and true. True and true is true. See, if both statements are true, then only it will come true. Otherwise false. That is the AND table. That is the AND table. Logical AND. Logical AND is very simple. In other programming languages, double at the rate symbol. Sorry, what is this symbol called? Double. What is the symbol called? AND symbol. Some symbol will come for the AND operator. But in Python, it is not like that. But Python, A and D AND is there. But A and D and small letters. It is a Python keyword. It is a Python keyword. Now tell me 4 greater than 6 and 5 greater than 3 or 5 greater than 6. False and false. What is the output of this? False and false. So what is the output of this? Now let's go for logical OR. Logical OR or logical OR is R. ORR. OR operator. Operator name is ORR. In other programming languages, that is something like this. Sorry, this one. That is only. In other programming languages like this. But in Python, ORR. Now tell me, so what is the concept of logical OR? True or true? True or true? It will be true. Now tell me, true or false? True or false? True or false? True. False or true? True only. False or false? So here in this case, the node point is important. Here in this case, node point is important. If any one statement is true, output will be true. Okay, if both statements are false, one more point. If both statements are false, output will be false. If any one of the statement is true, output will be true. If both statements are false, output will be false. Remember those. Okay, now tell me 2 greater than 3, true or false? True or? 2 greater than 3, sir. 2 is bigger than 3. False. Or 4 less than 56. So finally the thing is what? Finally the thing is the first one is true or false. First statement is true. 2 greater than, no. First statement is false. False. Or second statement, true. False or true. Output will be. Execute like this. Very simple, straightforward. AND operator will work. Both statements are true, then only true. Otherwise, any case it is false. But in OR operator, any one is true. ఎవడన్నా ఒక్కడు పాస్ అయినా అందరు పాస్ అయినట్టు. అక్కడ ఏంటంటే అందరు పాస్ అయితేనే స్కూల్ పాస్ అయినట్టు. ఒకటే గుర్తుపెట్టు మైండ్. If all the statements are going to be true, then only execution is true, output is true. Then only output is true. Otherwise, every case output is false. Hello. So let's go. Check with the one more set. 45 greater than 56. True or false? False. False and 67 less than 78. 67 less than 45. So in this case, what is happening? False or false? Correct? First statement is false. Second statement, 67 greater than 45. 67, 45 kanna peddada. No. False or false? False or false is? False or false is false. Now I want to combine both things. For example, 2 greater than 3, 2 less than 3, true, and 4 less than 5, or 56 less than 67. Now tell me what is output of this. I am combining multiple operators in the single statement. I am combining multiple statements into the single statement. So output is true. How this is coming true? Cheppandi ela execute avutundi. If I am taking multiple statements in the single line, how this is coming like true? Aisha, tell me first thing, 2 less than 3. True or false? False, sir. True, kada? 2 less than 3, that is true. True and 4 less than 5. True and true and true and true is true. Then or second statement again true, kada? True or true? True or true? Output is true. That is the reason it is giving true. Okay, let me execute the one more statement. Same statements, I just want to make it flip. Statement. Little bit I have to change this. Little bit I want to change for this. Two greater than 3. Now tell me, what is the output here? Finally false. Why? Because 2 greater than 3 is, first one is false. False and 4 less than 5. True. Okay. ఇక్కడ ఏమైతుంది? False and true ఏమైతుంది? False and true false అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఏముంది? R ఉంది. R again false ఉంది. 56 less than 6. 56 less than 6. It is false statement. So false or false. Finally output is false. అందుకే false వచ్చింది. అందుకే false వచ్చింది. When you have the bigger statement, don't confuse. It will go line by line. It will go step by step. First two statements it will check. First operator it will execute. Then whatever the output we have, based on that output, next statement will calculate. So ఇక్కడ నేను రాసిన ఈ పర్టికులర్ థింగ్ ఉంది కదా, ఇది అర్థం చేసుకో. ఇక్కడ ఇది అర్థం చేసుకో. False and true false వచ్చింది. And తర్వాత ఇంకొక operator, another operator is going to be performing with the another statement. Then final output will be false. Am I clear here? Don't confuse her. Don't confuse with the multiple things. Next, one more logical operator, logical not. Logical not. Other programming languages, it is something like this. But in Python, NOT not. In Python, NOT not. Okay, let me execute this. Logical not. This parent logical not operator. Okay, let me go. 3 not 4. True or false? Oh my God. Python lo kuda ide unda. Okay, Python lo kuda ade not kaadu. Same operator. There is no not symbol. There is no not. So 2 not equal to 4. True or false? Now tell me, Srinu not equal to Srinu. I'm comparing Srinu and Srinu. Srinu not equal to Srinu. I'm చెప్తున్నా both are true. Both are equal kada. It is giving false. Your statement is wrong. You are telling both are not equal. You are telling both are not equal, but basically both are equal. Basically both are equal. Okay, so why you are saying like that? It is actually telling me. So now I am telling Srinu not equal to Srinu. This time it is true. Yes, your statement is true. Why? Because of the second string you have capital letter. First string, both are Srinus only, but the second string you have the capital letter. So that is the reason both are not equal. Programmatically both are not equal. Fundamental point, both are not equal. That is the reason it is giving your statement is true. You are saying it is not equal. Srinu not equal to Srinu. Yes, that is the reason output is true. So in this way you have to go with the logical not operator. These are the logical operators we have. So we done so far arithmetic operators and logical operators. Now we go with the comparison operators. comparison operators. So what are the comparison operators? Comparison operators are very simple. One is the less than, one is the greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, yes, comparison, and triple equal to also there. Let me check with the triple equal to also. These are the different kind of comparison operators we have. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. 2 less than 3. So this is the less than, less than, less than, less than is comparison. Comparison between the two numbers. I'm comparing two numbers. I'm comparing two numbers. What is this output of this particular statement? 2 less than 3. True or false? Okay. 3 greater than 2. True only. Why? Because this is greater than operator. What is this operator called? Greater. Yeah. This is greater than operator. Now I want to check with 2 less than or equal to 2. True only. Equal to undi kada. Less than or equal to. Less than lakapothe equal to. Edo okati. Any one of the operators should perform. Less than or equal to. Less than lakapothe equal to. Less than satisfy kaadu. Equal to satisfy avutundi kada. In that case, it is giving. Am I clear? And 45 greater than or equal to 45. True only. Greater than satisfy kaadu. But equal to will satisfy. Greater than or equal to. I am telling greater than or equal to. R equal to means R ante edo okati తీసుకుమని అర్థం కదా. R means ఏదో ఒకటి. మానస ఆర్ జాఫర్. జాఫర్ సర్ఫరాజ్. సో మానస ఆర్ సర్ఫరాజ్. ఏదో ఒకళ్ళు ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు అటెండ్ అవుతున్నారు. సో సంథింగ్ ఈస్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్. Greater than is not satisfying. Manasa is not coming. Sarfaraz is coming. Satisfied. Okay, fine. Take the class. We'll go for true. Am I clear? So that is one operator. And let me go. 45 double equal to 45. True or false? Both are equal. So comparison. I'm comparing two numbers. I'm comparing two strings now. Srinu double equal to Srinu. Srinu double equal to, sorry, Srinu, tell me, false. Why? I'm comparing two strings here, but both strings are different. That string is with the small letter, this string with the capital letter. That is the reason of this false. Now let me go. Srinu double equal to Srinu, already done. True. Okay, fine. Now let me go. A or 10 equal to 10. True or false? True or false? Okay. 10 double equal to 10. Why? That is the string. This is the number. That is the string. This is the number. So let me go. Okay. 10.5 triple equal to 10.567. Invalid syntax. Oh my God. Triple equal to Python lo unda leda. False. Why false? Both are floating values, but here it is 10.5, but here it is 10.567. That is why reason it is giving you false. Okay, so Python lo triple equal to unda leda. But in JavaScript it is available. In Python also, let me check. What is meaning triple equal to? Triple equal to is there in Python or not? But in JavaScript it is available. In Python it is available or not? లేదు. ఉందా? Okay, it is available in the JavaScript. It is not available in the Python. Okay, fine. There is a one more operator. There are one more operator, something like a special operators. Special operator is something like a in operator. So what about in operator? Okay, so let me check. S in string. True or false? It is giving true now. Why? Because of 10 is a number which is available in the list. 10 is a number, 10 is an integer which is available in the list. That is the reason it is giving true. But it is available now. S is available in Srinu or no? S is available in Srinu or no? S is the character that is available in the string Srinu. Yes, it is coming. అక్కడ ఫాల్స్ రావాలి కదా I in okay. Z it is working. Z is available. Z is not available. That is the reason it is giving you false. Okay, you can able to check with the special operators like in operator. Okay. Srinu is Srinu. True. True. It is basically literally equivalent to is the operator equivalent to double equal. This is one interview question. Is the operator, which is just like a comparison. Is the operator just like a comparison. But is a special operator, but it is like a comparison operator. Is like a double equal. Okay, one statement I will write. Is equal to equivalent to this one. Okay, now 10 is 10. That is basically equivalent to double equal. Same as it is. That is true. 10 is 10. True or false? Obviously false. Obviously false. Why? Because this is integer, this is the string. Okay. So what are the different operators we done so far? Arithmetic operators we done, logical operators we done, comparison operators we done, and one more thing is assignment operator. Assignment operator. Plus is the symbol. Plus is the assignment operator. Plus working as arithmetic operator when we find any one of the operand is true. Aisha understanding? Aisha understanding? Plus is working as arithmetic operator when we find any one of the operand is string. Edo operand string ayi undali. Edo operand string ayi undali. Otherwise, plus is not working like assignment operator. Otherwise, plus is working as assignment. Sorry, assignment cards. Concatenation. Concatenation. Assignment is different. Assignment is different. I will tell you assignment operator. Concatenation. Concatenation. Assignment is just equal to. Plus is working as concatenation operator when we find any one of the operand is string. Am I clear? Okay. So plus is working as Sorry, what happened? Aisha, కనిపిస్తుందా? Aisha is there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So plus is working as one more point I will write now. Plus is working as arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. When we find all operands are numbers. Numbers. Either it is an integer or float. Either it is integer or float. ఏదో ఒక ఇంటీజర్ కానీ ఫ్లోట్ కానీ ఉంటే అది అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్ గా పనిచేస్తుంది. Whenever you find integers or floats, then only it will work as arithmetic operator. Plus is working as concatenation operator when you find any one of the operand as character or string. Character అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ లేదు పైథాన్ లో, ఓన్లీ స్ట్రింగ్స్. Any one of the operand is called string, then automatically plus is working as concatenation operator. Am I clear? Can I go program? Now tell me 2 plus 2. Plus is working as, plus is now working as what kind of operator? అదే అడిషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? అథమెటిక్ concatenation. Aisha, now plus is working as what? What is the form for the plus now? No. This is arithmetic operator. Addition is arithmetic operator. Addition is what? Arithmetic operator. Now plus is working as arithmetic operator. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 2 plus 2. Now plus is working as concatenation. Why? Because of string plus string. But anyway, it is not possible. It is not possible. Okay, it is possible when we have 2 plus 2 like this. When we have 2 strings like this. What is the output of this? So you may ask me a question, sir, 2 plus 2 is 4. But here 2 is string, 2 is string. String plus string. Concatenating. 2 plus 2 is 2, 2. 2 plus 2 is 2, 2 only, not 4. When 4 will come? 4 will come if both are numbers. Both are numbers. If any one of the thing is string, it will not work out. It will not work out. It is working as concatenation. Okay. So one more thing I want to tell. For example, I want to add Srinu plus 007. Now tell me what is the output of this. So this will not possible. Why? Because of plus is not going to add this. Okay. Let me concatenate. Concatenation is possible, but when you go with the conversion, so let me go with the str of 007. When I go with the str of 007, then it will possible. What is the possibility? Oh my God, zeros decimal integer. Srinu 700 zero prefix ఉండదు that. Convert to str. Now this is working as concatenation operator. Can you see it? Can you see and observe? Now it is working as concatenation operator. 32 plus 700. 700 is converting into the string. String plus string is string. Automatically this is working as concatenation operator. Now we will try to work with one more operator, assignment operator. What is assignment operator? In Python, assignment operator is equal to. In Python, assignment operator is equal to. So for example, name is equal to Srinivas. Now what is the equal to? What is the process of equal to? Srinivas is going to be equivalent to name. Now name is, when I search for name is Srinivas. Now I'm telling to this one. Suppose I want to go with the Manasa. So now name is assigned with Manasa. Now name assigned with Manasa. Now name is assigned with Aisha. Now name is Aisha. Now name is assigned with Sarfraz. Now what is the name now? Now name assigned with 10. What is the name now? Assignment operator. Okay, so name is assigned with already 10 is available with the name. Now name is assigning with 20. What is the name now? What is the name now? 20. Assignment. Assignment is going to be happening every time. Okay, one more case I will tell. So A comma B comma C is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Assignment operator equal to is working. Now what is happening for this? A, what is the A now? What is the B now? What is the C now? A comma B comma C is equal to Manasa comma Aisha comma Surprise. Now what is the A now? What is the B now? What is the C now? What is the D now? Name D is not defined. Name D is not defined. Suppose in the left side values, left side variable names, you don't have D. Left side you have only ABC. Left side we have only ABC. Right side, okay, we have the values, 3 values. Manasa is there, Aisha is there, Sarfraz is there. Now let me go. A comma B comma C comma D is equal to, tell me now, Manasa comma Aisha comma Sarfraz. Okay, I'm not giving the value for D. A I given value called Manasa. B I given a value called Aisha. C I given a value called Sarfraz. But D I'm not giving the value. Left side I'm giving more values, more variable names. But right side I'm giving only values, 3 values. It will assign or not. Okay, it will take or not. Previously what we done, left side we are giving more A, B, C, D. But right side I'm giving only Aisha, Mansa, Sarfraz. It is not allowing. It is not allowing. D is missing. D is undefined. But this time it will allow. Okay. Okay, this is also not allowed. Why? Because of there is no packing for the D. Value error, not enough values to unpack. Expected 4, got 3. 4 expect chestunanu, but you 3 ichina. Then 4 expect chestunna, but you are giving only 3. This time also it is not allowing. So now you tell me A comma B comma C comma D is equal to, now I am giving properly Mansa and Aisha and Sarfraz and single quotes and Srinivas. Now tell me, it will take or not? A will come, B will come, C will come, D also will come. Now what I want to do is A comma B is equal to 10 comma 20. Now what is the A? What is the B? What is the C? What is the D? Print A comma A. Okay. Print A. Okay, let me go. Formatting. Dot format. What are the formatted values? A comma B comma C comma D. And final output will be 1020 Sarfraz Srinivas. Already A comma B assigned with multiple other things. Now I want to assign again A comma B is equal to Rajesh and Rajyam. Now done. Now print same thing. Print the same thing. Rajesh Rajyam Sarfraz Srinivas. Why? Because you already assigned two other values for the AB. Previously, at least 10 and 20. Now we assigned with different other values for that. Now it came with the another. This is what kind of operator? Assignment operator. Assignment operator is going to be working with the single value. Assignment operator will work with the multiple values also. We are assigning with multiple values now. A comma B comma C comma D with the multiple things. Even it is a number or a string, no problem. It will allocate the memory for that. It will allocate the space for that. A లో 10 ఇచ్చిన, B లో 10.5 ఇచ్చా, C లో మానస ఇచ్చా, D లో సర్ఫరాజ్ ఇచ్చా. తీసుకుంటుందా? తీసుకుంటుంది. Not an issue. You are assigning some value to that particular bucket. Bucket is a variable. You are assigning water into one bucket. You are assigning oil into one bucket. You are assigning powder into one bucket. It will take it. Type is the different value. Value type is different. Sometimes your type value is water. Sometimes your type value is oil. Sometimes your type value is powder. It will take. Sir. So that is actually assignment operator. One more operator is pending, something like that. All these are actually special operators. One more operator is range operator. Before range operator, we have to go with increment and decrement operators. Decrement operators. Okay, A is equal to 10. I want to increment this. A plus plus. A plus plus will not work in Python. A plus plus will not work in Python. It will work in JavaScript. But what happened for this? A plus is equal to 1. Now it will go for A is equal to A plus is equal to 1. Finally, A. Print of A. Rajesh. Okay. Yellow Rajesh should be. Very proper. Now A is equal to 100. Now print of A. అందుకనే పని చేయట్లేదు. Now print of A. Assigned with number. Now A plus is equal to 1. Now what is the A? Incremented by 1. Plus plus will not work. A plus plus. A plus plus will not work. A plus plus will not work. A plus is equal to 1 will work. Now what is the A? 101 already there. Now A minus is equal to 1. Now A minus is equal to 1. A minus is equal to 1. What is the A? Now A is equal to 10. Now A star equal to 1 or star equal to 2. Now what is the A? 10 into 2. A star equal to 4. 20 into 4, sir. This time A is 20. Okay, so A star is equal to 45. Now A. చూడండి, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. A slash equal to 36 or 35 ఏదో ఒకటి some number. Now what is the A percentile equal to 4. What is the value of A? 0. Remainder 0. So in this case you have to work out with the multiple increment decrement operators. Increment operators in Python. So these are the different operators in Python. You have to check it out. So practice with all the operators today. What are the different kind of operators we done? Arithmetic operators, logical operators, assignment operators, increment decrement operators, concatenation operator, assignment operator, special operators. Neat headings unnai. For everything heading is there. For everything practical program is there. You have to check with the examples. Check with the examples. We done with small things. And Monday onwards, we entered into the little bit complex things. Monday onwards, I want to enter into the list items, tuple items, dictionary items, multiple things. Multiple programs we have to done so far. Practice all these things. I will upload the notes now and recorded sessions.